Hi, I'm Jonelle with the Pickers Palace. I wanted to share the new Hokus Pokus transfers with you and tell you why I think they're unique and a fabulous new entry into our creative tool bag. Hokus Pokus transfers are single sheet, which means that you don't have to piece them together over 3 different sheets and have those seam lines. One design, one sheet. Now there's several within the collection that have 6, 7, 8 designs so that you can use different elements on different pieces, but they're still presented to you as one single sheet. The other notable feature of the Hokus Pokus designs is that the paper isn't as sticky. If you've used other fantastic transfers, you notice that they have to be peeled off and that they're very sticky to the touch. And one of my biggest mistakes is always that when I go to put them on my space, if it touches down somewhere and sticks, that's where it's going, or you're going to lose a big chunk of your transfer. You'll notice that's not happening with this transfer. Does it mean it's not as sticky? Not at all. What we find is that it's actually extremely adherent to its surface. So it's a wonderful, wonderful correction to the transfers that we see on the market. The other thing you're going to notice when I use this transfer is that there's no halo. You know that little edge where the transfer ends? It's not here. And we love that about Hokus Pokus. The designs, about 30 in all, are very romantic. They're vintagey. And you'll notice that in some of the designs, there's an open space so that the background of your piece shows through. That's meant to be part of the design, giving it a more aged, vintagey, antique look. And we love that vibe because so much of what we do is put this on older furniture and creative pieces. So if you're looking for a new, unique transfer, it's another one you've got to try. So let's put this on. This is a piece from Amore, and we're just going to put it right in the middle of our circle, maybe to the top a bit. And I'm going to point it to you so that you can kind of see it a bit better. You take your stick that comes with it and you rub it. Now, I've had people say you need to rub it a little harder than the other brands. I don't think so. I think that it just does its thing just like any other transfer you're going to work with. And just like that, my transfer is on. There's no halos around the edges where you see visible lines that the transfer ended. It's wonderful. It went on easily, and it's a beautiful, beautiful design. Seal this with the top coat of your choice. I use Dixie Belle Clear Coat, and you've got a wonderful, wonderful piece. You can find this transfer and others from Hokus Pokus at the Pickers Palace Etsy.com. We have the entire collection in stock and ready to ship, and we'll keep them coming. These are beautiful transfers, and we thank you for your time.